Welcome to our roundup of the best cordless circular saws. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, having the right circular saw can make all the difference in cutting speed, precision, and portability. In this video, we've selected top-rated models that deliver power, durability, and convenience without the hassle of cords. We'll break down each saw's motor performance, battery efficiency, cutting capacity, and design so you can decide which one best fits your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the perfect cordless circular saw for your projects. The first on the list is the Bosch GKS 18V26LN. The Bosch Perfactor Blade Left Circular Saw is a powerhouse engineered for professionals who demand performance and accuracy. With its biturbo brushless motor, this saw delivers cutting power equivalent to a corded 15-amp tool, giving you the freedom of cordless operation without sacrificing strength. The blade left design is ideal for right-handed users, providing a clear line of sight for accurate cuts. Its full metal rafter hook and rugged construction make it ready for tough job sites, while electronic motor protection ensures long-lasting durability. The saw also supports an optional dust extraction system, which helps maintain a clean workspace and improved visibility. Overall, it is an excellent choice for professionals who want maximum cutting power, reliable durability, and precision in a cordless package. Next up is the Makita XSH03Z. This 18V LXD brushless circular saw is known for balancing power with extended runtime. Powered by Makita's efficient brushless motor technology, it delivers up to 5,000 RPM, giving you smooth and fast cuts through wood, sheet goods, and framing materials. The automatic speed change feature adjusts torque and speed based on the cutting load, which means the saw works smarter, not harder, conserving battery life while boosting performance when needed. It also weighs only 7.3 pounds with the battery, making it extremely lightweight and ergonomic, reducing fatigue during long hours of work. The XSH03Z also includes built-in LED lights for better visibility and an electronic brake for safety. Overall, this model is perfect for users who want a lightweight, versatile saw that can handle a wide range of tasks with efficiency and ease. Next, we have the DeWalt DCS590B. The DeWalt 20V Max XR brushless circular saw is built for professionals who require high cutting capacity and durability. Equipped with a brushless motor, it delivers optimal efficiency and extended runtime on a single charge. This model's standout feature is its 7¼ inch blade capacity, which allows it to cut through 2 9/16 inch thick materials at 90 degrees, making it ideal for heavy-duty framing, decking, and remodeling projects. The saw also includes a high-grade magnesium shoe, which not only keeps the tool lightweight, but also ensures durability and long-term accuracy. Combined with a bright LED light and electronic brake, it provides both safety and convenience. Overall, the DCS590B is a rugged and dependable tool that delivers the cutting depth and power needed for professional-grade applications. Coming up next is the Makita XSS02Z. This model is one of the most affordable yet reliable cordless saws in the market. Powered by Makita's 18V LXD system, it provides up to 3,700 RPM, enough for a wide variety of cutting tasks from plywood to framing lumber. At only 7.3 pounds, it is exceptionally lightweight and portable, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces or transport between job sites. The saw also features a heavy-gauge precision machined base, which ensures smooth and accurate cuts every time. Its ergonomic design with a rubberized soft grip enhances comfort during prolonged use, while the electric brake adds safety. Overall, the XSS02Z is an excellent entry-level option for DIYers and light-duty professionals who want an affordable, dependable circular saw for everyday projects. The last one on our list is the DeWalt DCS570B. This 20V Max circular saw is a reliable choice for users who want a balance of power, runtime, and durability. Equipped with a brushless motor, it provides up to 5,200 RPM, ensuring fast and precise cuts across different materials. It also features a 7/1/4 inch blade, offering a 2 9/16 inch cutting depth at 90 degrees, which means it can handle thicker stock and framing jobs with ease. What makes this saw stand out is its runtime efficiency, with up to 330 crosscuts in 2x4 pine lumber on a single charge when paired with a 5.0Ah battery. The saw also includes an integrated LED light, bevel capacity up to 57 degrees, and durable construction to withstand job site conditions. Overall, the DCS570B is a versatile, well-balanced tool ideal for both professionals and serious DIYers who want reliable cutting performance. So, that's it for the best cordless circular saws available today. From heavy-duty professional models like the Bosch Perfactor to lightweight and affordable options like the Makita XSS02Z, each saw offers a unique balance of power, portability, and precision. Whether you're cutting lumber, sheet goods, or tackling framing jobs, there's a perfect cordless saw here for your needs. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful gear guides. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.